Hey guys. Wow. Anyway. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today you already know that I hit on that off. Oh. Well, you guys already know that I am. If you rate that title down below, then you already know that I am basically. Whoa, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Everything is possible. No, fix the camera. Fix the camera, people. Thank you.